The first knot is called a monkey's fist, which is used to tie a weight to a piece of string.
You will need a small weight like a die or a marble to do this knot. Start with the rope looped over your hand and your die between your fingers. Loop the string around your hand 2 times, then 1/2 of a time hanging it off of 2 of your fingers. Next, wrap the string 3 times horizontally around the die. For this next part, you need to slide all of it off of your fingers, making sure you keep the die in place. Then, take your string and thread it through your loops 3 times. When you're done, you should have 3 pieces of string on every side. Double check to make sure you do. Now it's time to tighten your knot. This can be a bit of a long process, so be patient. First, pull on both of the standing ends. Then, if you see any big loops in your knot, follow the string around the die until you're able to pull the loop through to a standing string. When you're done, you have a monkey's fist. If it looks wrong, it either needs to be tightened more or you didn't wrap it 3 times each time.
This last knot is a personal favorite of mine. It's called a Turk's head. It is purely decorative, but I like to sometimes use it as a bracelet if you make it large enough.
First, start with one end of your string looped over your hand. Take the longer end of your string and wrap it around your hand so that you form an X. The long of your string go over the left side, under the right side. Then cross the left string over the right string. Take the standing end of your string and go over the right side and under the left side. Now with your string, go over the right side, under the left side. Turn your hand over so that the short end of the string is on top. Cross the left side over the right side again. Take the short end of your string and tuck it inside the loop formed by the crossing strings, exactly as shown. Now take the long end of your string and go over the right side, under the left side. When you do this, it should be lined up with the shorter string. From this point on, you're going to follow the shorter string. This means that you should always follow the string next to the one you're moving without crossing over it. When doing this, you need to be careful that you don't accidentally follow the wrong string. When you get to the point where you have 2 strings side by side each other everywhere, you can tuck the long end of your string into your knot. At this point, it may be necessary to tighten your knot if you have any large loops. And in that case, you do what you do with the monkey's fist, where you pull on the loop following it around until you get to the standing end of your string. And now you have a Turk's head.